I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Search Console. You will need to have your Google Analytics already set up. Once that is set up, you will search for Google Search Console in a Google search, or you can go to the provided link. Open Google Console and click Start Now. You're going to be asked to choose your property type. There are two options here. Select URL prefix and then copy your URL in the box. Make sure and check how it appears in your browser bar so that it's the exact address. Then you're going to be prompted to verify your account. If your Google Analytics is set up, you can select that verification method. You now want to connect your Search Console with your Google Analytics. This allows you to grab keywords right from Analytics. You want to make sure that Google Analytics is set up correctly on your site first. You're going to go to Google Analytics, open it up, and connect the property you want to link to Google Console. Then you're going to click the Admin button at the bottom of the left side menu, and then select Property Settings. Scroll down and you will see Adjust Search Console button, and you want to click it. Then you're going to select Add. Now select your website and save. Now your Google Analytics and Google Search Console are successfully linked. You will need to give it some time to pass the data through. To view Google Search Console data in Analytics, go to the left-hand side menu, select Acquisitions, and then Search Console. Your homework is to install Google Search Console.